my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we are continuing our video series designed to educate the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about strengthening your position in your divorce case. How does one strengthen their divorce case? In other words, we're going to get divorced. He's going to make allegations against you. You're going to make allegations against him. The court's heard all this nonsense in other cases already where, each one is just slinging mud at the other. It's not really something that will resonate much with the court in terms of showing this is a strong case, this is a weak case. How does one make a stronger case? Focus more on the merits of the case rather than mudslinging. It's a good question. Number one, you got to hire yourself a respectable, experienced lawyer, because the lawyer is going to be able to tell you where you should focus your energy. An experienced lawyer who's reputable, who enjoys the respect of the courts, lawyers like that will tell you, look, I know you hate your wife. I know it'd be great if you could bash her and you'd feel great doing it, but it's not going to help you in your case. What will help you in your case is to gather evidence of, infidelity, gather evidence of hiding assets, gather evidence of some level of fault that you claim your spouse is guilty of. That will help you in terms of swaying the court toward your direction, number one. Number two, organize what you have. In other words, the lawyer will tell you this is what you need to do, but the lawyer's not going to go into your house or into your computer or phone and start printing out things and copying things and getting things in order. It's not that they couldn't. Here at the firm we have ample resources that we could allocate people to go do this for you, but you know what? Nobody wants to do that. Number one, nobody wants to go into your personal stuff. You should go into your personal stuff, not lawyers or other people. There's privacy issues there. Number one. Number two, you don't want to have to pay the cost of somebody to do that when you yourself could do it. And, it's like, you may know, for example, if there's a stack of documents this high, you may know that what you're looking for is right over here. You give this stack to a lawyer, he's got to go through page by page to figure out what's relevant, what's not, and that's wasted energy and money. You don't want to do that. So organize your thoughts. Gather the information and the documentation appropriately so that your lawyer can know what to do with it. And most importantly, you want to maintain a lifestyle of stability during your divorce. Okay? You want to strengthen your case? Be stable. Show the court that as between you and your soon-to-be ex, you're the one who is deserving of the consideration. You're more stable. You provide a better home life for yourself and for your children. You're not off running around. You're not moving from place to place. You're not involved in substance abuse. You're not an alcoholic. You're living a regular, normal, solid lifestyle, which the court can rely on. So if the court gives you the children and gives you the custody of those kids, it will know that those kids will be taken care of. The moment a person starts, you're living in one place, evicted from here, staying in a hotel, going back and forth like this, using drugs, using alcohol, showing up drunk to court or worse, that's the very moment that you're losing your case. And it's oftentimes, when we see this, when people are violating court orders, nobody thinks it's a good idea to violate the order that the judge just gave you. Nobody thinks that. There are some people who nonetheless do it. They do it because maybe they don't understand the nature of it. They do it because they think they're smarter than anybody else and that they're going to push the court around. They do it because they're drunk. They do it for all sorts of reasons. But I will tell you this, having run this firm for over 30 years, having been in practice for 37 years, violating the court's order, that is not a ticket to success in your case, okay? Repeated violation of the court's order just makes you look like an idiot. Makes the court think that you're not a person who should be trusted, and that's not who you are. You need to be defined by your stability, not by the blips and misdeeds that you might do during your case. You want to strengthen your case, that's what you need to focus on. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.